Hello friends, welcome to Devrat Knowledge Villa. You are watching our English video series of Computer Network and learning basics of Computer Network. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to Computer Network. In this session, we will discuss three basic terms. First, what is computer? Second, what is network? And third one, what is internet? So let's start without wasting the time. Imagine this figure as a computer. So we can say that computer is an electronic data processing machine which accept data from outside world in form of input. It means whatever the input device is like keyboard, mouse, any floppy disk or USB disk. Whenever you will insert data into the computer, so this thing is known as a input. So people are inserting the data inside the computer through the input devices. If you will look about the past few years, so whenever people are going to purchase the computer, so it was just a hardware. But right now, whenever you are purchasing any computer or laptop, so you are getting well installed computer network. It means already operating system is installed over there, as well as few application software are also installed. So you are getting a ready-made system and it is ready to use. But in earlier years, this facility is not available uh, due to right now there is a collaboration of various companies like which is producing a hardware and one another company is producing a software. So both are selling the entire system with the collaboration. Get it? But in earlier years, so there was no such type of collaborations, and people are getting just simple hardware, and then after people install computer softwares and operating systems, so it will become ready to use. So let's see here. Someone is producing input to the computer, so that is first step. And after getting the data as an input, what computer is doing, so computer is making process on that inserted data. So we can say that computes on basic set of instruction. It means whatever the process computer is going to process, it will work on the set of instruction. It means if user will make a command for printing the document, then computer will print the document. If user will make a command to copy document, then computer will make a copy of that particular document. If user will make a save command, so uh, computer will save the document. So computer is working on instruction given to it, because computer does not have their own mind. Whatever the program or instruction is going to be set, so computer is actually working on given instruction. Third thing, that is supply and stored in memory. So again I want to say, if you will look about the very uh, past years, so whenever computer arrived into the market, so there was a common memory, there is no separation of primary memory and secondary memory. But right now there is a clear separate memory we are getting, like we are using RAM as a primary memory for the execution of programs, and we are using hard disk as a secondary memory for the storage purpose. So that is third thing, which is storage facility is available. And then after we can say that uh, whatever the calculated or computed data, it is given to the user in form of input. So whatever the process data is available, so user can get the data from the computer. So we can write for this like, and give desired result to the user in form of input. So if we will combine all these entire procedure. So we can define the computer easily, and if you will read this para again, so you can easily define the computer like computer is an electronic data processing machine which accept data from outside world in form of input, computes on basic set of instruction, supply and store in memory, and give desired result to the user in form of output. So it will make a clear definition of computer. Let's see next, we will discuss about the network. So if you will look this figure, so it is an example of network which is implemented for the use of internet. Here you are looking the internet service provider which is circulating the net or internet through the router, and some of the devices are connected into the network like this two desktop computer system. This is smartphone. Here this is printer, this is scanner, and one laptop. So here laptop and mobile phone connected through the Wi-Fi network. It means without wire. So it is again we are going to categorize the network like wired network and wireless network. We will discuss in detail. But right now here you are easily able to look the collection of various different devices, and this thing is known as a network. Get it? But if we will connect only few computers, so we can say that that is a network of computers. It means we can say that it is a computer network. Let's see how we can make the computer networks. Suppose we have a few devices and we will interconnect all of the devices which with each other, so we can say that it is a network. But if we have a few computers and if we will connect all computers with each other, so we can say that it is a computer network. So in short, computer network is a collection of more than one computer or more than two computers. This thing is known as a computer network. Let's see again, suppose after implementing a network, suppose we are connecting more than one network. It means again it is a one more expansion, that is collection of network. Suppose we are interconnecting more than one network with each other, so we can say that that is a internet. In previous case we have discussed collection of devices that become a network, and right now collection of network that become internet. In normal situations, like people are saying that that is international match. Suppose people are watching cricket, so there is a match between one nation to another nation, that is known as a international. It means one nation is playing with other nation. Same thing, internet is an expansion of internetwork. Get it? So full term internet is known as a internetwork. So there is one network is connected with the another network. So we can call it that is internet. So hope you are understanding very well about the what is computer, what is network, and what is internet. In our next session, we will discuss few types of computer network. So stay connected